we're gonna do a fuel pump relay on a, I guess it was a Caravan. I don't know. It's a Tiffum. They're all the same for this style. Constant problems with them between the different relays that are soldered into the boards. This particular one is just a fuel pump relay. So we're just gonna, I've already removed it from the case while I was waiting for my camera to charge. So now we're just going to remove the board. Make sure you're careful with it, not rough at all. Okay. This up. Let me get my other one so I just flip those around. Don't feel like flipping it all around. So. Alright, finally. First thing, you're just going to remove this solder here from this relay best you can with a wick or solder sucker. Too hot now. A little bit, get the new relay here. Got the new one. On there. Put my own solder just to kind of get it ready. And we're going to try just to use some wick here. So the bad one is out. like to take a little brush and just brush the back side quickly. Okay, I'm gonna put some more flux here. Oh wait, that's the old one. We don't want to put that back in. Just gonna flux a little bit. Okay. And we're gonna get her back in. Okay. Okay, get you a couple of points where it's holding. And this one. Oop, oh. And that's it. New relay is in. I use no clean flux, so I can just leave that there.
Yeah, what happened?
There you go. There's the new relay. And I just put everything back together. And you're good to go.